bolts and nuts are all tightening.
He said, I hope so.
Hope so is not encouraging. Very good.
How you feel? First time in the WRC.
Great.
It's not bad.
Quite something.
Okay, ready? Ready. Okay. Finish. Did you enjoy? Wow. I mean, this thing is massive. Great, huh? Oh my goodness.
Awesome! Did you have fun?
This thing is crazy. It's absolute madness. I mean, but it's an experience you cannot forget. I mean, the sheer speed, you can hardly see the road, you can hardly see the bend, and these guys are really professional. It is out of this world, and it's a life-changing adventure. If you ask me whether I want to do this again, I'm not sure. Because it's quite something. But I think it is. It speaks to training people who are professional at what they do, and I want to say the men who do this are real champions. You know, they deserve every respect that they have. They deserve our commendation, and it's really something out of this world. It was my first time in a rally car, my first time, and hopefully I will assemble myself and do this again, maybe another time. So otherwise, it was a great experience. Very excited and very good.